Rich One Moisture Repair Shampoo retails for $29 at 10 fluid ounce. The Rich One Moisture Repair Conditioner retails for $29 at 10 fluid ounces. The Rich One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner retails for $29 at 11.5 fluid ounce. Know how to make me feel right. I can't help that this sweet talk. The Comeback Kid Instant Damage Repair Treatment Bond Builder retails for $36 at 5 fluid ounce. The Controlling Type Hair Thickening Edge Control retails for $18 at 3.4 fluid ounce. The Jelly Type Strong Hold Gel retails for $26 at 7 fluid ounces. It's a high-performance, all-day strong holding gel that's great for sleek ponytails, slick backs, updos. It also prevents any frizz. The Homecurl Defining Cream retails at $28 for 11.5 fluid ounce. A silicone-free gel cream that shapes, defines, and enhances curls in one step. The Protective Type 5-in-1 Heat Protectant Styler retails for $28 at 5 fluid ounce. It hydrates, smooths, defrizz. It's a hydrating, reparative, gentle cleansing shampoo that hydrates, detangles, and is sulfate and silicone free. All products are powered by Replenicor 5, which is their proprietary complex that's clinically tested to repair, strengthen, hydrate, and protect all hair types and textures. The shampoo has a great smell. On the site, it says an amber floral light fragrance, and I actually like the smell. It's relaxing. This shampoo has some moisture to it, as it claims, but not as moisturizing as I'd like. I used other brands that gave me a bit more, but this shampoo left my hair feeling cleansed without feeling stripped, so I wasn't mad. And it lathers really, really well. I rate it a 7.5 out of 10. It's said to be hydrating, softening, reduces breakage, repairs split ends, reduces frizz, and increased shine. The conditioner had the same great smell as the shampoo, which I really liked. I couldn't really finger detangle my hair with this conditioner, which was really disappointing. It didn't really melt the tangles out of my hair. And I'm used to having a conditioner that can do that. So a tip that I have when using this conditioner, well, at least for my hair, was that my hair has to be completely wet and I have to use a good detangling tool. The instructions didn't mention to leave it in or apply it with heat, so I did neither. Another tip is to always try to split your hair into smaller sections, which will help with detangling. Once my hair was thoroughly detangled, my hair felt so soft and moisturized. My curls were popping. But I've definitely tried cheaper alternatives that gave a bit more moisture and had better detangling properties. I enjoyed how my hair felt after I left the conditioner in for a few minutes. The conditioner brought back additional moisture to my hair. Do you see that? My hair looks moisturized, my hair is detangled, and my curls are popping. I rate this conditioner an 8 out of 10. It intensely replenishes dry, damaged hair. The deep conditioner did exactly what it claims. It provided extra moisture and it left my hair really nice and soft. I will say that normally if I am doing my wash day and I have a conditioner, I wouldn't necessarily follow it up with a deep conditioner. A deep conditioner is something that I use maybe once or twice a month. So I will say if you have one or the other, just rotate them. You don't need to use both at the same time. But because I bought both of them, I wanted to see how it worked, and I will say that I really enjoyed it, and I actually give it a 9 out of 10. It's really nice, thick, and creamy. It really penetrated my hair, and I love how my hair felt afterward. It claims to mend damaged bonds that cause split ends, prevents future breakage, and instantly strengthens, smooths, and hydrates the hair. Now, this reparative treatment really did what it claims. It added additional moisture back into my hair. It defined my curls. I was able to finger detangle my hair seamlessly. And because the option was to leave it in or rinse it out, I opted to use it as a leave-in treatment, and I felt like it was a nice base for me to jump into my styling process. So I really enjoyed this product, and I rate it a 10 out of 10. But I will say that for the price, try to use it very sparingly because it is a little bottle. Nice.